I love that you can swap bits with one hand. Thanks, Ryobi. I have to screw in the bottom shelf because that's where the bottom of the antique doors are going to hit, and I want it to be flush with the front facing so the doors have something to bump up against. Well, as expected, looks like we need some doors in that lower blank space. Just so you don't think I'm a dumb, I can't saw the board here on the tub because it would pinch the blade. Notice I clamped it to my work table. I like using two Ryobi drills. One has a Phillips head screwdriver drill bit in it, and that frees the other drill for pilot holes. Notice it has a light on it too. I love it. So much fun to get to the point where you can fill it with things you love. And what home doesn't need more storage?